Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to remove the MG Windsor charger. First, ensure your vehicle is cool and then disconnect the negative terminal of the battery for safety. Next, you'll need to completely drain the cooling system. This prevents spills and makes subsequent steps cleaner. After that, carefully remove the air intake system, including the airbox and associated ducting, to gain access to the charger. Take your time with each connection. Now, let's move on to detaching the ancillary components. Begin by unbolting and carefully removing the accessory drive belt. This frees up the pulleys connected to the charger. Next, meticulously disconnect all electrical connectors from the charger unit itself. Be gentle to avoid damaging the clips. Finally, remove any hoses, such as coolant or vacuum lines, that are directly attached to the charger. Keep track of where each one goes. With everything disconnected, it's time to unbolt the charger. Locate all the mounting bolts that secure the charger to the engine block. There are typically several, so ensure you find them all. Once all bolts are removed, carefully and slowly separate the charger from the engine. It might be a bit snug, so gentle wiggling can help. After removal, inspect the gasket surfaces on both the charger and the engine for any damage or residual debris. To wrap things up, thoroughly clean all mating surfaces on both the engine and the charger. This ensures a proper seal upon reinstallation. Always replace all gaskets and O-rings with new ones. Never reuse old seals to prevent leaks. Remember, a successful removal often leads to a successful reinstallation. And hey, while you're working hard, make sure your feet are comfortable. Check the description for a link to some amazing socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.